Anastasia Kvitko, born November 25, 1994, is a Russian model, entrepreneur, and social media personality. She began modeling in Miami and moved to Los Angeles to pursue modeling full-time. She is well known for having a curvy body. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. Anastasia Kvitko was born and brought up in Kaliningrad, Russia. After moving to the US in her late teens, she became involved in fashion and modeling. Initially, she shifted to Miami to be a model. The marital status of Anastasia Kvitko is unmarried. Kvitko has not made her relationship public, so it is not known whether she is married or in a relationship. Anastasia has a height of 5 feet 9 inches or 1.75 meters, a weight of 58 kilograms or 128 pounds, and body measurements of 38-25-42 inches. She also has brown hair and brown eyes. Anastasia claims that she has maintained her body figure naturally while Kim Kardashian has experimented with plastic surgeries. Anastasia Kvitko is estimated to have a net worth of about $3 million.